This is Sister Higgins. Welcome to week 6, the role of power in conflict. And this week, the workload is a little less than normal. And so hopefully you can kind of just take a breather for this week and enjoy the fact that you get to learn while reading and you get to watch a movie this week. So let's just jump right in. So first, we're going to learn about the 3 views of power in conflict. And Brother Bean talks about this as camps. And so you have designated power, which is when we give power to another person or organization. So you could think about a king or a queen designating power to a prince if they're abdicating their throne, or the chairman of a board of directors abdicating or deferring power, the president of an organization giving power. So you're designating the power that you have to someone else. And then you have either or power. So this is power where both parties are wanting that power. So think about current events that we're seeing in our world right now with different countries where many of our fellow students are experiencing this conflict. So this is where both parties are seeking and only one party can have that power over the other. And then we have both and power. And this is power where we have that neither one is concerned about who has the power. So it's equal. So think about arguers as lovers when we have the lover's power, where both of them, there's no victims, both have equal power. This would be the same as both and power. Okay, then next we're going to be talking about the Rice powers. So there's 4 different powers. We have resource control, interpersonal linkage, communication skills, and expertise. So first, with resource control, this is when you possess some kind of resources. So usually this is referring to economic resources. So this can be, say that you become the president of the United States or the governor of a state in the United States, or the president of another country, or a king or a queen. You all of a sudden have access to all of the resources that you have administration over. Next is interpersonal linkage. So this is the ability to connect with others. This is where you see LinkedIn as a great example, where people that are able to connect with others, that is definitely a power. When they say it's all in who you know when it comes to getting a job, this is interpersonal linkage, where it really is all about your contacts. It's all about relationships, and that definitely can be a power. I see this in human resources when hiring people or someone who gets promoted, and they have been able to work those relationships to their benefit. Next is communication skills, and this is one that hopefully you're learning as you're taking this communications class and others. This is the ability to communicate, charm, be popular, or have charisma. Communication skills is a very powerful Rice power, and you'll see this as you watch 12 Angry Men. And I want you to be thinking about how you have those communication skills, or those you know might have those communication skills. And next is expertise. This is your knowledge gives you power. So think about in your class or in a job setting, if you are an expert, if you do really well in a subject or in a particular skill, that is going to be a power that you have, because people are going to know that you're the expert or that you know how to do this. It could also be, say that you are someone who does landscaping and people really need a landscaper, or you have a snow plow and you're able to plow people's driveways or plow the streets. You're very good at gardening and people are trying to learn how to garden. Your expertise can then become a power because other people acknowledge that power or that knowledge that you have. So the movie 12 Angry Men is going to be a great classic movie for you to sit back. Hopefully, you can enjoy the movie. And you're going to be able to see the lessons of conflict and how they're able to resolve conflict and the different types of power that you'll see in different people's roles in conflict. So remember that there will be a practice quiz as there has been in prior weeks. So feel free to take that practice quiz. It will not be recorded and it's not graded, and you can take it as many times as you want. So again, this will be a short week, but if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Good luck this week.